Their first introduction to a game bird. Actually, they're more concerned about getting out of the pen than anything else.
Can you get out over there?
No.
No. Okay.
Had to put some boards up because this little goofy little bird could get right through the wire. They're smelling where it was. Shies after it now. Don't quite know what to make of this, but it's a very young bird. Probably only about 10 weeks old. So I don't get to have as strong a odor. Bird just got out.
He figured that one out, didn't he?
Puppy. A little interest there.
Look at this one over here.
Big girl just says, I'm just going to lay down here. Don't really care.
None of them really care.
So, very young bird, like I said. Of course, their eyeballs aren't fully developed on that situation either, so they're more concerned with us than they are the bird.
What'd you say? You couldn't fly over the fence?
Well, at least they've heard wings flap already.
Yeah.
Temporary boards didn't work too well there.
Bird's tired, trying to sleep. They're sitting there looking at you.
What was that? Uh-oh. VG just saw it. Oh, trying to paw it now.
You're distracted.
Yeah.